Hello, my name is Salah Eddin Gerbi. Today is the first episode of Soul Talk from Soul Alchemy Academy, and today we speak about discernment. Let the wise hear and increase in learning, and the one who understands obtain guidance. Proverbs chapter 1, verse 5. Discernment is the power of the understanding in which few excel. So today, ask yourself these questions. Can you hear? Can you listen your inner voice? And if you're not, how can you increase in learning? And if you're not learning, how can you understand and then obtain guidance? At this time today, it is very important for you to be able to get access to your inner voice, to hear, and then build up your discernment. Discernment is a navigational compass, very useful for you in a challenging world we are facing today. We are facing so much input, frequencies and energies, apparent or even subtle. We must learn who is gold and who is simply gold-plated. So what is your level of discernment? How much clarity do you have within yourself? Listen your inner voice and learn how to discern from these other voices. Thoughts, beliefs, or even paradigms built up from your early childhood. In my own experience, we really need to learn to tune more with our body feelings, our body energy. It is a very different language from what we have learned in our school system. We've used so much of our brain, rational thinking. Many of us today can rely on our five senses without even hearing our inner voice. We put first our mind or even our rational thinking. And because we use so much of our mind, our rational thinking, our thoughts, we have learned to navigate in this physical world in a very linear way, which is very limited or sometimes too rigid in a universe where the energy is constantly flowing, not necessarily on a straight line. We use so much of our five senses to interact with the physical world. It is only a layer of discernment based on those senses. But there is a deeper level of discernment which requires you to go deeper within yourself so that you can start to hear your inner voice, learn and understand. Discernment from within is a key to navigate in your physical world, but also other worlds not necessarily perceived with your physical eyes. We're talking about here those inner levels, the astral, etheric, emotional, and this requires you to have more awareness of your body feelings, your body energy. This is a different language from the mind, the thoughts. It is to do with energy, frequency. So I will suggest you a tip to learn to connect with your five senses with discernment. Start to focus on one particular sense. Could be the touch, could be eye, sighting, could be taste, hearing. Start to really connect with awareness and start to ask yourself these questions. Do I feel supported and nurtured with that sense? Bring some mindfulness in your life. Start to build up your discernment. Acute your discernment as you become more aware of your five senses and their interaction in your physical world. Next, my colleague Sue Cawthorn will present some insights and intuition and sixth sense, which is a different level of discernment. And it will help you to navigate in those levels, inner levels.